So I often see people obsess over the body of their email, of their cold email, but nobody actually reads the body before reading the subject line and clicking on the subject line to open the body. So even if people do reach your body, your subject line matters and your PS line also matters. So this is something that I call the sandwich method. Sandwich method basically means that your body is contained between these two important one-liners being subject line and PS. So just wanted to make a video to break down these the 3 subject line patterns and 3 PS line patterns that I can immediately see that will make a difference if you were to do this. So internal mimicry patterns, it's like a if you're writing something like marketing ops or in lowercase noun, you look like a coworker, you look like somebody who the prospect actually already knows. So you look like a perfectly good email to click and open and see what's it about. If you write something like your Salesforce instance or your HubSpot instance, for example, if you are building a lead list containing people who are using a specific tool, a specific software, a specific platform, you look like some support guy or somebody from their own company or somebody they know or something important that email is about, so they'll definitely click. The goal of the subject line is to evoke enough curiosity in your prospect to make sure that they click. So this is a good way to do it, like using lowercase letters, using a tool, a platform, a tech stack, whatever you did, and a boring outcome, so reducing churn. It looks like a little bit of a finance report. So you do not write reducing churn, you write something like get 40% more email opens, or get 40 enterprise demos, which is exactly what my cold email looks like. I'll probably describe it in another video if there's interest. Let me know in the comments. And just as an aside, if you want us to come into your company and build you a complete cold email system or a paid ads funnel system and get you 40 booked calls in less than 30 days of working together, click the first link in the description and book a call. It's free. It's a free strategy call to map out if we can help you at all. But just click that and we'll get talking. Let's get back to the video. So having looked over the subject line, let's look over the other part of the sandwich, email sandwich, which is the PS line. So the PS line is essentially the most undervalued real estate in your email. It's like the safety net. The prospect first reads your subject line, opens your email, reads your body, and then reads your PS. PS does not need to sound expensive, or it does not need to evoke an idea within the user's brain that they don't have time for this, or they do not think that they can afford it, or something along those lines. So PS is essentially like an objection killer. You need to make sure that you need to handle any objection that you think they might have in that line. So the first strategy is no switch PS. It's like an effort killer. You need to essentially say that you don't need to switch CRMs to do this. We plug this right into your Salesforce instance. You do not need to switch your marketing tool, whatever your email scheduling tool or newsletter tool or whatever tool you're using right now will just come in and use whatever you're using right now and improve it. That kind of thing. Strategy 2 is the trust killer. If you're not ready to chat, here's a 3-minute Loom breakdown of how it works. Loom breakdowns work really well over cold email. I'll make a new video about it of the Loom video strategy. That's working quite well for me. If there's interest, let me know in the comments. And the third is the price killer. Price killer is the PS performance based offer. So for example, for my offer for building paid advertising systems that my agency does for your B2B business, we only charge for booked calls. We do not charge retainers. So you could mention that we only charge for booked calls. You can say that we just we're only doing this as performance based, so you win, we win, that kind of thing. So yeah, these are like some of the main objection killers that you can have. um, the credibility, you need to set up credibility as well. Like, something that I haven't mentioned here is that if you can say, if you can mention a case study in your PS, that it's even better. So you can mention that you built something for this company and it took the MRR from this to this, X to Y. So that will be very helpful as well. I forgot to mention it here, but just as an aside. And yeah, this video was about the subject line and the PS line. Hopefully it works for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to make another video about the body copy and what's working for me right now, and specific AI workflows that I use to build them as well. I have some anti-gravity and Claude workflows that I think you'll find helpful. So subscribe and let me know how you like it. Bye.